Hello, my friends. Today I am in Oxford. I'm heading to Orthodox Church in Oxford because today is one of the most popular Orthodox festival called Green Weeks. 3 days we celebrate the day of Saint Trinity. Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. So today is the third day, Monday, the Holy Spirit. Oxford is lovely as always. You can see beautiful churches here, parks. This is, by the way, the other side of River Cherwell, not from the center, but from other part. You can go here nearby Natural History Museum, but it's heaven that I came here by bus and I need to walk. By the way, this is the Oxford Center of Islamic Studying. You can see traditional Arabic decoration on the top. On my way, I pick up buzina. These flowers in Ukrainian called buzina. I don't know about English. In Ukraine, in village, we use it for flu treatment. If you feel sick and cough, you can make tea from these flowers and it's make you much more healthy. So I turned to this street, Ferry Road, and I'm heading to the church. Wonderful street with many lovely houses. This is wonderful weather in Oxford, spring, and here many flowers. This church is hiding nearby neighboring houses, so I call it secret church because it's difficult to find, but it is. We are here. St. Nicholas Church in Oxford. Hi guys again. I am already heading from the church. It was beautiful service. It was wonderful day. And the Father Stefan have seen that I am filming. He asked, are you going to make new video about us? What I like about this church and actually about visiting Orthodox Church, Western Europe, especially England, this is a very busy world. Here every day somebody remind you that you need to achieve something, you need to earn money. Sometimes you feel sad that you make a mistake in this life. But here in this place, when I come here, I feel that nobody. Just I started filming, there becomes some noise. Nobody evaluate you depend of what you achieve, where you work, how much you earn. You just in this lovely place and you feel happy just because you exist. At least at the end of our life, all our achievement does not matter just how we feel. And you get new energy, new inspiration. You have just a short break during this crazy and busy life. So I'm going to practice my tour in Pit River Museum about Ukrainian history, because the next week I'm going to have a tour for the staff from Oxford University. Wish you me good luck and see you very soon. Have a nice day.